Okay, 2016 Chevy Malibu, no crank, no start. Okay. And the issue is master brakes. Oh, brake. Just push harder. Okay, crank it. Push harder. Crank it when I tell you. Push harder. Harder, master brake harder. Hey now. Baba, you're not.
Let me do it.
Yeah, would you? Huh? You're not pushing hard enough. Because this is, it works sometimes. Push hard. Yeah, crank. Okay. It started. So the problem is your brake switch. That's it.
The brake switch.
Yeah? You don't mind being on YouTube, do you?
Huh?
You don't mind being on YouTube? Okay. So that's your problem. Turn it off. You need, okay, crank it. When the brake lights come on, it will start. If they don't come on, it won't start. Huh?
No, I'm trying to.
Could you want me pop unplug?
Hold on a second.
So the brake light got to be on.
Yes, that's what it says. Push the brake pedal to start. So it has to be on for it to start. It will not start without the brake. And if your brake switch is bad, and this looks like a pedal that you got from the junkyard.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I bought it from Carter. I bought it from somebody.
Yeah.
I bought it from him, and he.
If you look at the brake pedal, it says UP on it. You pull it, which means it's a used pedal, and the switch is not working correctly. So you need to change it.
He needs to change.
Whoever.
Yeah.
I mean, Corey called me.
Call him and tell him, man.
Yeah. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one.